Cinderella's eyes like fireflies glow. Buchi steps where the brave ones go.
Through the sands where secrets hide,
They walk with the stars as their guide.
oh, pyramids of wonder,
So high, touching the clouds and the golden sky.
pyramids of wonder, so broad, so bold.
Stories of Africa forever told.
Whispers in stones, echoes of kings, hieroglyph dreams, ancient wings.
They climb where the pharaohs rest, heartbeats racing, adventures test.
Under the moon, they feel the call. The pyramids stand, they've seen it all. Oh, pyramids of wonder,
So high, touching the clouds and the golden sky.
pyramids of wonder, so proud, so bold.
Stories of Africa forever told. Sandstorm swirls, but they don't turn back. Feet on the path, no courage they lack.
Through the mystery, they've made their mark.
Carving their names in the desert's heart.
Oh,